Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to have a look at some new stuff that's been added to the Alpine farming expansion for Farming Simulator 19. So, we've got this beautiful screenshot here. That one there, I could have zoomed it in, but I won't. There's a train, there's two trains on that bridge way over there. That tower there works. New bikes. I'll probably steal some of them when get the DLC, but I'm just kidding, I won't. Yeah, I think that's the other side of the chocolate factory, I'm pretty sure. Big bins, yeah. Okay, so we've got the lawnmower, that's what everyone else is calling it. 18 horsepower, speed is 9 kilometers per hour. The working width is 2 meters. Now we've got a tractor from Farming Simulator 13. So yeah, it's called the Burra 6105, and it's only 100 horsepower, and its top speed is 32 kilometers an hour, so I won't need to worry about the cars in the game if I use that tractor for roleplay. Apart from still faster than them by 2 kilometers an hour, so yeah. Got the rigid track tractor, 68 horsepower. Would that be the smallest tractor in Farming Simulator 19? I think it would be. Then we got the next one up, another rigid track tractor, 110 horsepower, 40 kilometers an hour. Then we got this utility sort of vehicle. Yeah, some small tractors. Horsepower is 109, 40 kilometers an hour. Now we got this new tractor that's come to the game. It's... what the hell? Why is it in music? Oh well. Lindner Lintrack 130, shop category music. So that's interesting. I thought it would be in tractors. 136 horsepower, 50 kilometers an hour, so that's not bad. The rigid track SKH 150, 150 horsepower, 40 kilometers an hour, so yeah. The Lindner Unitrack 122 L drive shop music, 122 horsepower. Potager, that's a new brand to the game, if you guys get it. But yeah, I like the look of the stuff that they've put in the game here. I'll probably use this baler here, that 160 horsepower. So yeah, I'll probably use a 6R on that or something. The car trailer. So if I just go all the way back up here to the top, you can actually strap down this mower here. You actually strap it down on the trailer, so on that trailer there. So that's quite good, I guess. But yeah, there hasn't been much. I reckon it's just 2 tractors really, and the ratchet straps. That's the new tractor. I'm wondering if you can put a cab on it, but it doesn't look like you can.